Hi, a very fresh evening. Today also we gonna discuss a very enlightened topic. I'm damn sure it would surely help you. What is very most required to drive up our life is self-awareness. தமிழ் அழகா சொல்லுவாங்க விழிப்புணர்வு. That is very very important to drive up our life, our career life and family life. Family life also it is not problem, but in case of career life it is very important because those guys are not our wife, not our father and mother. We should be very aware of it, unless otherwise we will be easily cheated and deceived by someone. So we should have a very self awareness. நாம் என்ன பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கோன்றத நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும் ஒவ்வொரு நாளும். We should have a very awareness about what we are doing, where we are. That is the key of our life. என்ன பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கோம்? I am in college. I am doing so and so. I am in this corporate. I am doing so and so. So this self awareness is actually required. See, to be simply put, out of all crores and crore face, no, each and every manufacturing phases are different by the god. That is what elegant, no, that is what elegant. Why? Because no self awareness of the god. When you want to be a lead than follower, you must have a self awareness. So be the follower, be the lead, do not be the follower. லீட் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். எது பண்ணாலும் யூனிக்காக இருக்கணும், யூனிக்காக பண்ணணும். வி ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட், அவர் நேம் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அலாங் வித் இனிஷியல், நோ. ஸோ வி ஷுட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் திங் ஆல்சோ இன் அ பாடி லாங்குவேஜ், இன் ஆக்ஷன், எனி திங். வி ஷுட் பி வெரி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃப்ரம் ஆல். அட்லீஸ்ட் வி ஷுட் நாட் பி த ஃபாலோவர் ஆஃப் அதர்ஸ். Be a lead person. Everybody is saying good morning. No, we are also supposed to say good morning. One day, actually, the climate is very good. You're supposed to say breezy morning, a chill morning, a cool morning. That is okay, Ra. Fantastic morning. Stomach full afternoon because you had lunch. A rainy night. That's okay. When everybody is sitting in the hall, you are also sitting the same. When somebody is standing, you are also standing. And nobody is sitting, you are also you are also not going to sit in the same place. Instead of keep on standing in one place and what others are doing, you are doing the same thing. Awareness, if you are having awareness, no, you will simply sit, and you don't need to waste your energy in a bank somewhere. Everybody is standing and queue is there. There is a waiting desk, waiting place. We can sit. Keep on standing and wasting energy. And somebody feel thirsty, they are going to drink water. People are also going for drinking the water. Break the partnership life, break the couple life. He is feeling hungry, so I want to go along with him to the canteen. When I feel hungry, no, he won't come, I will adjust for him. Sutta nonsense alladu. Very important to discuss about it. Self awareness has to be happen. Be the lead, do not be the follower. அடுத்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் ஆல்சோ காப்பி அதர்ஸ் ஆர் காப்பிங் அண்ட் ஐ எம் ஆல்சோ ஃப்ரம் த வெரி பிகினிங் குட். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் வர்றப்ப காலேஜ் லைஃப்பில் ஸ்டார்டிங் வர்றப்ப யூ ஆர் குட், And after that, people are influencing you much, you become something. Copying, keep on copying examination. Be the boss to yourself. Examination is all about self evaluation. It's not going to be gaining marks. Self evaluation. எவ்வளோ நான் படிச்சிருக்கேன். And even resume also you are copying the same. Sometimes the resume has his name. Very a shame. The objectives are the same, very same. What are the objectives that he has been fixed on his resume, we are also put the same. No edit, simply. And first man has gone for attending the interview and asking for the salary. The same salary you are also quoting. What you deserved for the salary. You ask, suya buddhi illaya. Think first. Bring changes in yourself. First, உங்களுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற ignorance reduce பண்ணுங்க. First, reduce the ignorance which is present in you. And signature. Signature plays a very crucial thing. Whatever the others actually putting signature, no, rolling and doing something, scribbling, we are also doing the same thing. Better reform your signature. Introduce a new signature, very clarity signature, and dot below the signature, and there is an underline below the signature, and somebody said when you put the signature like this, no, your state of living would be very high when you are doing such thing. Is he astrologer? Is he a professor? Is he an academician? First, bring changes on yourself and reduce ignorance present on you. Small changes. Role model. I'm not asking you to not to follow any other big celebrity and other things. You take, for example, Virat Kohli sir is the best example. You take, he takes role model as Sachin Tendulkar, but he is taking role model as Sachin Tendulkar and observing the things, and he is executing in his own style. அவற்றிருந்து கற்றுக்கிட்டு இவர ஸ்டைலில் எப்படி எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணணும்னா அப்படி எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு. தட் இஸ் ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக், யூனோ. For learning it is okay, but execute it in your own style. That is very important. First, bring changes in yourself. Reduce ignorance within you. எல்லாமே காப்பி தான். First bring changes, self awareness. அதுதான் உன்னை டெவலப் பண்ணும். That only will makes you into the next stage of the life. If you are really knowledgeable, you will correct these things. Resume, salary and signature, இதெல்லாம் நிறைய மாற்றுவேன். ஐயோ இப்படியே பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்குமே, blindly we are doing such things. எல்லாமே அப்படி தான் பண்ணுவேன் நான். Try to bring changes. Be the lead and do not be the follower. Thank you. Love you all.